Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another monthly running session. And today's running session, where we're also going to give my folding layout of St Deanna's halt also a nice run round as well. So we have got two engines to run around today, because I figured since it's a nice little small layout, it's also going to be a little Thomas the Tank running session too. So yeah, three things all in one. So we've got Thomas the Tank, my folding layout running session, and the usual monthly running session. So yeah, we'll give this a nice run round today. So yeah, I've got some appropriate rolling stock. We've got Annie and Clarabelle, we've got Thomas and Percy, and we've got some troublesome trucks and a milk van as well. But yeah, nice little run round. There is a few things which I want to finish off with this layout. It's mainly just some little nitpicky things. Also some greenery up there for some reason. One is to double check this wire here for the power. It does work and it is mostly out of the way, but I'm still not 100% happy with it, but it's better than it was. I also want to sort out some of the ballast down here as it's cracked a little bit. Just need a little bit of glue and touch it up in places. And I do want to add a few more bits of scenery. Basically I want to put, what was it? I want to put signals on either end, because I figured signals at either end would probably be a good thing. And probably finish it off with a little watering station on one of these, one of the shed sides, probably where Percy is, because that's where there's the most space. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I could probably do a few extra things. Probably I still need to sort out the scenery foot back there. Is that glued down? No, it isn't, but I'll probably glue that down in a moment. But yeah, still need to sort out the blue, but to be honest, I can't be bothered. I have been suggested to paint it, but I can never get the blue the right shade of blue. So yeah, I may leave that. Other little things, I could put some people back there, but yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it really. So yeah, I'm going to get Thomas and Percy a nice run round, try to get them running together at some point somehow. But yeah, nice little small running session. So yeah, I'm going to stop yapping on and get to running some trains. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again next time. And yeah, like I said, enjoy and take care now. Right, nice little view of them. There we go. Take care.